to share with me your persecution, your, all the things you've gone through from being a Muslim to a Christian?
The day that I converted to Christianity, this is the sign.
What?
We ex-Muslim, we are the sign of genocide in northern part of Nigeria. Right now that I'm telling you, I have, yes, this is from my family. This is from my family. My uncle, he's the one who did this for me. They break my leg. Physically. They took me out and throw me out. It's like I'm buried. This is the reason why I'm not afraid, whether you kill me, whether whatever, I must preach the gospel. Right. This is the reason, even the name of my ministry say, the gospel of Christ must be preached. That's right. That's right. So, our people in northern part of Nigeria facing a lot of persecution. I have more than 100 people right now in the country who are ex-Muslim. They are with me. They are living together with me. They are facing a lot of persecution. People are, their relative and their family, they push them out of their family. They don't have anything. Even where to stay is a problem for them.
And they're looking for them to kill.
Yes. And if they find them anywhere, they will kill them. Right now that I'm telling you, I'm now 17 years without going to my own village. My own village, now 17 years.
I keep telling people, when some men of God say there's no, whether genocide or no genocide, when some men of God say such things might exist in Nigeria. And some people also say, some of them have never been to the north.
Yeah.
And those of them that have been to the north only came to the north when everything is fine in the capital city.
Yeah.
They carry security follow, escorted them, put them in a factory, give them food they get, and they left. Oh, not as good. They don't know anything. And I saw a preacher telling them, if you say there is really no persecution, come and preach in Yobe. Yeah. Come and preach in Kenya. I'm waiting for you to come. Yeah. Let's go into the village and do crusade. Let's see whether you understand what's going on here. I know some of us who grew in the north, who have been through. I told my own story of how, they burnt our house, burnt our church, chased after me to kill and all that. I've been through it, and I know what it is like to grow up in the north. I know what it is like to be confronted with persecution. I know what it is like for your life to be on the line. So for somebody to say there's no such thing in Nigeria, it must be dreaming. Yes. If the government is saying there's no such thing in Nigeria, why do we have IDP camp? No natural disaster, no earthquake, no earthquake, but we have IDP camp. So why do we have IDP camps? Now we will go into this genocide and all that, but let's begin with the history of Islam.
Complete Islam is genocide.
Wow.
Completely Islam. Starting with, during the time of Prophet Muhammad, Islam, they make 82 war jihadis during the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He attended 28 war, which is jihad. But 54 is during his time. But from the beginning of Islam, he used to go attend. But later, he will no longer go in there because he has a lot of followers.
Yes.
So, if people are saying Islam, the beginning of Islam is war. This is the reason. Islam must be continued doing the jihadis and raising different groups of jihadis like Boko Haram, ISIS, ISWAP, Ansaruddin, Houthi, Hamas, different. More than 300 groups of jihadis right now. I'm telling you, it is more than 300 groups of jihadis in the world, the whole over 7 continents of the world. Even in Nigeria, the time that Osman bin Fodio came to Nigeria, he started jihad. 1804 to 1808, 4 years, good 4 years. Taking people, different places in northern part of Nigeria. True. They took the power from our local Hausa people. True. To pull in people. True. To change our identity and our leader Hausa. Now they're playing. Fulani, they are the one who rule this country. Even the governors, all the emirates in northern Nigeria, even the leader of Islam, which is the Caliphate of Sokoto, was Fulani. You can never ever see Hausa again. Everyone in northern part of them. They are the one who did anything. When you go to the chamber, National Assembly, you can see them. All of them are Fulani. True. The secret of Quran to stay there in Arabic. But if they mistakenly translate Quran in other languages, it's another issue. But in Hausa, you can't come to say we are going to read chapter women.
Yeah, chapter women.
Chapter women. Somewhere in the side.
Yeah, chapter women.
And the chapter cow.
Chapter cow.
So all these things, they will not interpret it in Hausa or in Polari language. This is the reason why our people post themselves to go in Arabia. Instead of them to learn Arab, they will learn radicalism of Islamic teachings.